Welcome to Gusto Products. 25 years of unwavering dedication, innovation, and top-tier quality in the food service industry. Our warehouses are housed in a 3,500 square meters facility strategically located in the heart of Greece, in Thessaly. All areas comply with strict storage specifications and are certified under the International Food Safety Management Standard ISO 22000. Additionally, our showroom is fully equipped to host seminars and workshops led by top food service professionals. Through hard work and persistence, we have reached the top. Today, we are one of the preferred choices for food service professionals. We have built strong, long-lasting partnerships with leading chains in the industry across Greece. Our clients consistently trust the high quality and services of Gusto Products. Quality is our foundation. We operate under a full-service model, offering end-to-end solutions, from product selection and sales to customer support and technical maintenance, guided by specialized professionals every step of the way. Our after-sales support consistently exceeds expectations. Our updated procedures guarantee the technical support and maintenance of your equipment. From proper grinder calibration to espresso machine maintenance, we ensure optimal performance in every extraction. Our distinction at the Coffee Business Awards in the top beverage supplier category is a testament to our commitment to quality, reliability, and outstanding service. At Gusto Products, we are shaping the future of food service with quality, innovation, and dedication.